Yan guys, good morning, good morning. Kasama ko ngayon si Master Mike. Mike, say hello na kanila. Yan. Uy, si Snake.
Snake ba?
Mag-hunt kami ng GT ni Master Mike. So may dala kami, mga heavy yung dala namin, oh. Pin battle 4. Ang bigat nito setup ko na to guys. Tagal pa naman ako hindi nakapag-fishing. Kasi lumakas yung amihan. Kaya medyo natagalan tayo mag-fishing. Tapos ang bigat ng setup ko, siyempre maninibago tayo dito. Mga nasa 1 kilo lang, sarado. Ganoon, mga nasa 1 kilo lang to. Try natin. Ito naman guys, 70 grams. Oy, lobster.
Lobster?
I'll catch Mike. You hold my rod. First catch. Bilis na lang guys, maliit pa. Hit guys. Grabe yung nangagis. Little. Sa bluefin. Foul hook.
Gago Paul!
Diyan tugan mo. May tugan ka?
Di ba dala tugan mo?
Naiwan ko.
Sabi si Master. Grabe naman ang Master L ng Palawan.
Ito paano mo dadakmain? Nasa buntot yung hook. Kaya mo? Tayo na ilangat.
Delikado kasi ito eh.
Oo. Isang hagis.
Master Ellie!
Kailangan na natin ikip yan. Wasak yung katawan.
Oh.
Sugatan siya eh. Keep natin. Guys, oh. Sabi ko mabato kasi. Fuck! Aray! Aray! Tangina! Aray! Shit! Ayan. Strike guys! Grabe Big GT, segundo lang. Ah. Segundo lang guys. GT. Grabe oh. Segundo lang inahon ng ating setup guys. Kita mo hindi nakagalaw.
Ha?
Hindi nakagalaw.
Ay, grabe. Bulok na bulok ka.
Pasok.
Eh. Ano na to, bro?
Ewan ko.
Bakit tama oh?
Hindi pa 2 digit yan. Big GT. GT Baboon. Grabe hirap lang ng spot guys. Ang bato talaga. Grabe ang bato. Pero ito hindi siya nakaporma kasi oh. Pumasok din yung popper. Nadakma niya talaga.
Aray, putang ina mo.
Gagi, double kill. Hinga ako konti. Tapos agis ulit. Stuck sabit guys. Wala, natanggal. Natanggal. Buti natanggal guys. Buti natanggal. Swerte. Big bluefin. Ah. That's a big bluefin. Kakatapos lang namin kumain ni Mike. So lipat tayo ng spot. Dito kami sa mabuhangin na ano, mabuhangin na lugar. Pero dito pa rin sa isla. So sa kabilang part na kami medyo mabuhangin na. Try natin dito. Dilitan ko na rin yung setup. Mabuhangin na naman siya. Kaya natin kailangan ng malakas na setup dito. Natin tong isla na to guys. Maliit lang. Mahaba kasi ito eh. Ito sa dulo tayo. It's big. I don't want to keep them. Oh, you got You got one, you got one. What? Barracuda, big barracuda. Oh, they have one also. Just wait, Mike. I'll get the one. Good size barracuda. Maybe in the high tide, during high tide, there's more fish. Careful, Mike, ah. You can do. Mike, oh. Fuck. Oh. Hit. I got it, Mike. Yeah, giant barracuda. Oh, it's big. Very active, Mike. It's big.
It's big, bro.
Ah,
Holy. Careful. Holy shit.
I'm scared of my line.
Drag loose. Big fish, man. It's like a trophy. Holy. The big fish.
Oh,
It's like the size of us. Oh,
they swim in front of me.
they catch clear of the toy.
La, they also hit the another one.
Another one attack? No. Yeah?
Mike, can you see the GoPro is recording?
Not sure. Oh yeah, I see. Yeah.
What? It's big, Mike.
Very big, yeah. Still on?
Mike.
Yeah.
In the front of me.
Oh, I see him.
It's dying now. Big barracuda, guys. Mike, oh. Lo.
Got him, bro.
I think my line is already bited. Wow, it's big. There we go. It's look like a snake. Don't try, Mike. Maybe he hit you. Fuck, I'm scared of the teeth. Whoa, I'm scared. Wow, this is my very big. This is my first time, Mike. Oh. What? Mike, careful ha with the hook. Careful with the hook. Oh, ano? I'm very lucky. This one is very big. Mike, you hold it. Woo! Yan. Beautiful. Nice catch. Grabe laki guys. This is my first time. I land Great Barracuda. Last time nakahuli ako ng hindi naman ganito kalaki, pero ito very big talaga. Tapos nakakabilib kasi sa sa shallow water lang nahuli, no Mike? Oo. Bigat. Mike, do you want to take picture? Hello. Gusto mo isda? Do you want fish? I'll give you fish. Oh, the daddy is here, oh. Looking at here. La. Bali. Oh. Mike. Mike. Smooth, Mike, smooth. This is sandy place. Mike, don't closer at the deep. That's a big, very big. Mike, don't get closer. Mike, don't get closer in the deep. It's a dangerous fish.
What's it, GT?
No, it's giant barracuda like my catch.
You sure?
Oh, you lose your drag. Maybe you're.
Are you sure?
Oh, not GT. Mike, you get in the sand. Oh, because it's dangerous fish. Mike, you're in the sand. Mauubusan ako ng English dito kay Mike. Pero okay lang yan. I saw it. But I recognize it's GT. But later on, I saw the tail. It's a giant barracuda. Mike, it's bigger than my catch.
Yeah?
Oh, you break my record. But you don't get closer, ha? It's dangerous fish.
I wanna.
Sometimes what? Big.
Grabe ay.
Hopefully you get Mike. Take your time. Maybe your line is already bited.
Oh shit, he broke my line. You want my video?
Oh.
I should loosen my drag a little more.
Sayang guys, sayang. Pero ganun talaga. That's a fishing, no Mike?
Yeah. Oh my god.
Sayang. Nice try, Mike. Nice try. Try again. Sayang guys, ang laki. Parang mas malaki pa dun sa nahuli ko. Akala ko GT, ang laki kasi.
Ali, I think I need to do leader line.
Wait. That's 40 pounds like my use.
No, but I think maybe longer. No.
Oh, that's shorter. But already tested the nut. You can use, but you can Ay, sayang guys. Sayang yung kay Mike, ang laki. Nakita ko, akala ko oh, talihan ka muna si Mike guys. Pasensya na kayo sa medyo ganyan talaga kami, medyo maingay kapag nakakahuli kami ng isda, nakakapakagat. Tali mo na kami guys, kakain muna kami ni Mike. Tsaka yung mga kasama natin si Kuya Jai. Kuya Jai, kaway muna. Tsaka si Kuya Tani. Ayun, sa unahan. So si Mike, napagod na. Lungkot yan kasi already stalled the one pencil lure. So pahinga lang konti. Andyan na rin yung bangka namin guys. Tapos kakain kami. Yan, update na lang kami sa mga susunod. So baka hanggang dito na lang muna. Nakatali na. Bye bye.
When I cross, we see fish.